In this video, I just wanted to show you how we use a product called Citrix ShareFile. So ShareFile creates a virtual drive S in our case, and we have shared folders. We have a whole series of shared folders, but we're using folders from the corporate directory. This is a corporate client, and in this case, we've got our new company, sample company, and we've got the 2020 year end. This structure allows us to understand and predict the way we're going to store our data. So we're simply using the operating system's file management process where we have directories, but we name them intelligently. So when we finish, we can take this using either ShareFile and create a new directory and then change the name, and we will have the appropriate structure. And if you recall, when we had a working paper reference, what we did was we used the first or the number from here. So when we have a bank account, we don't have in our sample company, but the bank account would be numbered something like 6.0, and we might use everything from 6.0 to 6.01, all the way to however many assets you have. So it's quite a flexible tool. It can encompass a pretty large company if required, and it's completely flexible. We can use it as we're doing here with a small business where we post all of the year's transactions in the adjusting journal entries column, or we can get a bigger company that has a working trial balance maintained in something like QuickBooks or Wave Accounting or Xero, and start with that instead of copying the prior year. Anyway, so let's look at the structure. So we keep this same structure all the time. The structure looks like this: assets, liabilities, equity. So that's folder number 6 for assets, folder number 7 for liabilities, folder number 8 for equities, folder number 9 for retained earnings. And then we have revenue at 90, cost of goods sold at 92, expense at 94, other at 96, and PBC stands for prepared by client. This is the data usually that our client gives us. We stick it here and then try and figure out what it is and put it in the appropriate folder to support our working papers.